Bonjour class. One day I'm going to change this flag from Djibouti to something else. Today is not that day, or at least for this video. So we have wrapped lesson 21. It was just a bunch of vocab. You did a little flip grid, and now we're ready to move on. So this is the lesson where we're going to learn a new tense, just an entirely new tense right here at the end of French 2. But before that, I just want to teach you one irregular verb. So let's move on. The verb is vivre. Vivre. Alright, it means to live. But Miss Harris, we already know the verb habiter, which also means to live. Correct. Synonyms exist. However, there is something a little special about the meaning of vivre that we'll talk about after I show you how to conjugate it. So if you are a big fan of Google Translate and not following my directions, you have definitely seen this verb before, because when I have told you in the past to write I live blank, like I want you to say I live in Marieville, j'habite à Marieville, often you all write the sentence I live in Marieville into Google Translate, and it tells you to say je vis, which is fine, but it's not a word you knew, and therefore it was wrong. However, now you know. Je vis, tu vis, il, elle vit, nous vivons, vous vivez, il, elle vivent. To live. And the past participle is vécu. It's very irregular. J'ai vécu. I lived. Okay. So, vivre can be a synonym for habiter. Alice vit à Paris. Alice lives in Paris. However, it also means to live as in, like, to live your life. Habiter only means to live as in to live in a place. So, for instance, I could say, elle vit bien. She lives well. Meaning, like, you know, she has a nice life. She lives well. She's got a house and money. Alright? So, vivre, to live. C'est tu, vis, vivons, vivez, vive. I don't have a practice for you to go with this. You just need to memorize the conjugation, and you are good. And in our next video, we're going to learn a new tense, and that's going to be sort of the meat of this unit. Actually, I lied to you. In the next video, we're not learning a new tense. In the next video, we're reviewing passé composé, and then we're going to learn a new tense. All right. Au revoir. If you have any questions, send me an email. You can do this.